Hola mi gente, bienvenido a mi canal. Bonjour YouTube, bienvenue à ma chaîne. And hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Well, hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. And at this moment, when you come to a point where you say enough is enough, it's because it's the time to cut and move on. I'm going to share with you all the certification that I have. I went through my boxes and I found a lot of certification. I'm not kidding, guys. I did so much through my years. So just to let you know, I did my personal trainer certification. I also leveled up my legal assistant experience. I did some legal assistant bootcamps and seminars. I participated in practical management certification. I did some psychiatry and personal worker certification. My technical assistant to pharmacy certification. Launching a business certification. I also did my legal assistant and secretary certification. There you go. So those are some of the certifications that I found in my box. But you know, I also acquired so much experience in life in particular that I wanted to share with you guys my expertise. And I'm going to create a YouTube video only for my fitness family and for my photography family. So if you guys are, you know, open and creative and would like to know how I do my thing, listen, keep watching, follow me on those other YouTube videos, and it's gonna be my pleasure to share my expertise, because I said to myself, enough is enough. I spent enough money to, you know, acquire this expertise that I need to share with you. I don't want to die with my knowledge. I would like to leave a legacy and to teach you and to, you know, see where this goes, because I want to acquire more knowledge within this video editing and how to speak to a crowd and how to make things happen. So listen, if it works for me, it's gonna work for you. And I encourage everyone to start a YouTube channel just the way that I am doing right now. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.